Good afternoon to everybody. FDP program on Module Learning Management System is organized by JNTU College of Engineering Sultanpur in association with Spoken Tutorial IIT Bombay. Respected Honorable Vice Chancellor Sri Jayesh Ranjan Sir, beloved Rector Dr. A. Govardhan, Principal of the College Professor B. Balunayak, Vice Principal of the College Professor V. Venkateswar Reddy, and the Course Coordinator Dr. M. Shailaja, Principal Investigator for this spoken tutorial. So from IIT Bombay, Professor Kannan, M. Kannan, and all other team members who involved in organizing this program, I congratulate each and every person for making this program a grand success. Under this program, various courses are conducted, and the participants are got benefited for different software platforms where distance learning and this spoken tutorial practices are done. So I take this opportunity to congratulate all the participants for making use of this program being organized by the JNTU College of Engineering Sultanpur and getting benefited out of it. Because of the present situation, the online learning process or the online or distance learning methods are gaining a lot of importance due to the present scenario of COVID-19. Not only this one, there are some people, they are located far away. For them also we can provide the required information and required data. Under this program, the IIT Bombay has given a technical support, and the team from JNTU Sultanpur, they have taken this challenge and they made the arrangements, and the principal of the college, Professor Balunayak, and the coordinator, they have done all the required base work. They have registered the different participants, and they have provided all the required facility to make this program a grand success. I once again thank the entire team for making this program a useful one, a technical and a advanced technology usage in the learning and teaching methods. Using these fundamentals, I hope the participants will build their career or make their own other teaching material which will be useful for their career and they will be using for their students. The practice of these type of programs is very important. Just by attending the program is not going to provide you the required practice, but keep on practicing on these different platforms and make your own, that is a required audio or video, that is a subject database, and that database will be used for the teaching and learning process of the students. With these few words, I thank the entire team for making this program, and I thank the principal and the coordinator of this program, and also the team from IIT Bombay for giving the cooperation and support to make this program in our university, Constituent College at JNTU Sultanpur. I thank all the participants for sparing your time to learn the things, new things, and making use of these things for your application in teaching and learning methods. Thank you very much.